Yo, first order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $10, going 4.5 miles.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. One of those bags is heavy, jeez. Been sitting around for a little bit, but we finally got the next order. This is another McDonald's. This is $9, going 3 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yep.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. We are also doing Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour. And the first order for that is going to be an IHOP going 6.5 miles.
I do have an 8 circle.
Yeah.
Thank you for waiting.
Thank you. Total for that order was $9 and change. I was just thinking to myself, man, it is slow so far. And what do they give me? Wendy's. This one is going 4 miles.
Have a good day.
You as well. Total for that order was $8. Not bad for a Wendy's, actually. And we got the next order. It says Taco Bell going 2.5 miles. Really? It's supposed to be open, but I guess we'll check the drive-thru.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn reward points?
We're waiting on French nuggets right now. Do you mind wrapping back around real quick?
Like through the drive-thru?
Oh, what's up?
Through the drive-thru?
Yeah, just wrap back through the drive-thru.
Okay. Oh boy. What's next?
Here you go, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $6. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles.
You said W15, right? Okay.
Yes.
And then can I see you confirm the order, please? Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Not bad. And we got the next order right away. This is Champ Pizza going 5 miles. Hello. I had the DoorDash for Jaden.
It's right there.
Gotcha.
Needs just about a minute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pepperoni, pineapple, and mushroom. Yeah, you lost me on that one. No mushroom for me.
Oh,
There you are.
thank you.
Yep, have a good one. Total for that was just under $5. Pretty terrible. I guess we're back to playing the waiting game because it's been 15 minutes now since that last order. Okay, this just might be a really short video because I just now found out that my dash ended for no reason. DoorDash won't let me back online and still nothing from Uber, so I guess we'll just pivot this into a kitty video. Anyways, speaking of the little beast, I guess we can go home and feed her. Current time is 9:07. Total, we ended up with 64. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.